Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to download or export website database in PDF format using phpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in phpMyAdmin and this is our database and this is our tables. So we are going to export or download database in PDF format file. By using same method, you can download PHP website database and WordPress website database in PDF file. Now you see export, so click on it. So we are in export section and then you see export method, quick custom, and then you see format. Now you see SQL, now select, and then you see multiple format, now select PDF and then click on export. Now you see file name .pdf, save as type .pdf and then click on save. Now you see PDF file saved done for this database. So in this way you can export or download website database in PDF format. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.